Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So, since the VCI veterinary counseling has got started for this year, and a lot of you were asking me regarding the fees of veterinary colleges in India. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you the fees of top veterinary colleges in India. Let's get started. West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences, Kolkata. The fees is rupees 13,770. Rajasthan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bikaner. So from first to third professional year for boys of general category it is 17,340 per year. For fourth professional year it is 34,680. Whereas for first to third professional year for all other category boys and girls it is rupees 6,340 per year, and in fourth professional year it is 12,680. Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Hisar. For first year it is 55,370. For second year and third year it is 48,470. For fourth year it is 71,995, and the fees for internship is 24,920. Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur. The fees for first year is approximately 58,000 to 59,000. The fees for second and third year is 53,260. For fourth year it is 79,810, and for internship it is 33,200. Karnataka Veterinary Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Bidar. The fees for general category first year is 56,625, and for second and subsequent years it is 47,480. Nanaji Deshmukh Veterinary Science University, Jabalpur. The tuition fee for MP state candidates is 31,000, whereas for VCI quota it is 37,200. But the grand total that has to be submitted at the time of admission is 50,710 for the first year students. The Venkateshwar Veterinary University, Tirupati. The fees is rupees 29,880 per year. College of Veterinary Science, Ludhiana. Total fees state quota is 98,230. Total fees self-financed is 8,11,230. Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University, Chennai. The fees for first professional year is 21,915, 17,590 for second year. For third year also it is the same, and for fourth year it is 26,860. For internship it is 12,000. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izzatnagar. For general and OBC candidates, the first professional year fees is 29,900. For second and third year, it is 13,550, and for fourth professional year it is 20,325 and rupees 10,000 for internship. So that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you still have any queries then you can put in the comment section below and I would be happy to help you out. Do share this video with your friends who are also participating in the counseling. Do like this video and subscribe to Vet Visit. While subscribing, do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes out and you don't miss out on any. Follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.